Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Hello everybody, this is worksheet number 8. It belongs to physics, that is human eye, and colorful world. Now we see Roman number 1. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. Question number 1. Who is the only Indian scientist to win Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery on scattering due to colloidal solution? Here, the Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize in Physics. His discovery on scattering due to the colloidal solution is Sir C.V. Raman. So here option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 2. Which of the following phenomena is based on atmospheric refraction? Option A, Tyndall effect. This is due to scattering of light. This is scattering of light, but not atmospheric refraction. So a twinkling of stars, this is atmospheric refraction. Color of sun at sunrise, this is also scattering of light. None of these. So here option B, twinkling of stars, is the right answer. Now we see question number 3. Which amongst the given radiation is preferred for taking photographs in fog? So here infrared red rays, these are preferred to take photographs in fog. So here option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 4. The twinkling of a star is due to, say we have seen earlier question number 2. So this is also same kind of question. The twinkling of a star is due to atmospheric refraction. So here option A is the right answer. Now question number 5. The color of scattered light depends on the dash of the scattering particles. So here the color of scattered light depends on the size of the particles, but not on the color, not on the shape. So here option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 6. The red light has a wavelength about dash times greater than the blue light. Actually the wavelength of red light, it is in between 620 nanometer to 750 nanometer, whereas the wavelength of blue light is 450 nanometer to 495 nanometer. So here it is around 1.8 times greater than the blue light. So here option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 7. The phenomenon of scattering of light by colloidal particle gives rise to. So this is the definition of Tyndall effect. So here option A is the right answer. The color of scattered light depends on the size of the dash. Density, no, size of the density is wrong. Size of the color is wrong. Size of the frequency is wrong. Size of the scattering particle is correct. So here option D is the correct answer. Now question number 9. If the size of the scattering particle is large enough, then the scattered light may even appear. When the scattering particle is large enough, then the scattered light may even be appear in white color. So here option D, white, is the right answer. Now we see question number 10. If the earth had no atmosphere, then there would be less scattering, more scattering, no scattering. No scattering, option C is the right answer. If earth had no atmosphere, there would be no scattering at all. Now we see question number 11, that is, the sun is visible to us about dash minutes before the actual sunrise. Actually, sun is visible to us about 2 minutes before the actual sunrise. So here option A, 2 minutes is the right answer. It happens due to atmospheric refraction. Now we see question number 12. Twinkling of stars is due to atmospheric dash, atmospheric dispersion of light by water droplets. No, this is wrong. Atmospheric refraction of light by different layers of varying refractive indices. This is true. Atmospheric scattering of light by dust particles. This is false. Twinkling of stars is due to internal reflection of the light by clouds. This is also wrong. Twinkling of stars is due to atmospheric refraction of light by different layers of varying different refractive indices. So here option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 13. Which of the following phenomena contributes significantly to the reddish appearance of the sun at the sunrise or the sunset? It happens due to scattering of light. Here dispersion of light is wrong option. Scattering of light is correct. Total internal reflection of light is the wrong option. Reflection of light from the earth is also wrong option. So the phenomena contribute significantly to the reddish appearance of the sun at the time of sunrise and the time of sunset is just because of scattering of light. So here option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 14. The bluish color of the water in deep sea is due to the presence of algae and the other plants found in water. It is wrong. Reflection of the sky in water. This is wrong. Scattering of light. This is true. Absorption of light by the sea. This is false. So here option C, scattering of light, is the correct answer. That is the reason the bluish color of the water in deep sea. Now we see question number 15. Choose the correct statement about the sunrise. Here you see clearly we can say A is the true position of the sun. This is the true position. But this is the apparent position. Right. Now here let us say choose the correct statement. It happens due to atmospheric refraction. A is the true position. See, A is true position. So this is correct. B is the true position. B is the apparent position. So this is false. A is the apparent position. In fact, A is the true position. So this is false. B is the apparent position. Yes, this is apparent position. The sun appears to be here, but actually sun's position, true position, is here. So this is also true. So here option A and option D both are true. So I am writing A comma D. Now we see question number 16. That is, the danger signals are red in color. These can be easily seen from a distance because among all the other colors, the red light is scattered the most by smoke or fog. This is false. Red light is scattered by the least by smoke and fog. This is true, because here you see red light has the least scattering by the smoke and fog. That is the reason it is visible. If it is most scattered, then it can't be visible. Next, it is absorbed by the most of the smoke. If it is absorbed, it is not visible. So this is false. It moves fast in air. This is also false. So option B is the correct answer. That is, red light can be seen easily from a distance because it is scattered the least by smoke or fog. Next we see question number 17. That is, the color of the sky is blue during the daytime and red during sunset and black at night due to. So here let us see the options. Scattering of light, this is correct. Small particles present in the atmosphere, this is false. Atmospheric refraction. So here let us see small particles present in the atmosphere. This is true. So atmospheric refraction is false. All the above is also false. Actually the color of the sky appears blue during the day and red during the sunset and black at the night just because of scattering of light, that too small particles present in the atmosphere. So here option A and B, these are the correct options. Now we see question number 18. At noon, the sun appears white as light is least scattered. This is true. All the colors of the white light are scattered away. This is false. Blue color is scattered the most, red color is scattered the most. So here at the noon the sun appears white because white is, the light is least scattered. That means there is the least amount of scattering. So here option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 19. The clear sky appears blue because blue light gets absorbed in the atmosphere. This is wrong. Ultraviolet radiations are absorbed in the atmosphere. This is wrong. Violet and blue lights get scattered more than lights of all other colors by the atmosphere. This is true. Light of all other colors is scattered more than the violet and the blue color lights by the atmosphere. This is wrong. In fact, violet and blue lights, they get scattered more than the lights of all the other colors by the atmosphere. That is the reason the clear sky appears blue. So here option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 20. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the propagation of light of different colors of white light in air? Option A, red light moves fastest. This is false. Blue light moves faster than green light. This is also false. All the colors of white light move with the same speed. This is true. Yellow light moves with the mean speed as that of the red and the violet light. This is false. In fact, the correct statement regarding the propagation of light of different colors of white light in air is that the white light move, all the colors of white light move with the same speed. So here option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 21. That is, the danger signals installed at the top of tall buildings are red in color. These can be easily seen from a distance because among all the other colors, the red light. So red light is scattered most by the smoke or fog. If the red light is getting scattered, it can't be visible. So this is the wrong option. Red light is scattered the least by the smoke or fog. This is true because red is the least scattered color. So that is the reason it is visible from the far distance. So it is absorbed by the most of the fog. If it is absorbed so, then also it won't be visible. So here moves fastest in the air. No, it won't be such. So the correct answer is, since we are able to see the danger signals, that too from a distance, because the red color is scattered the least by the smoke or fog. So here option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 22. That is, which of the following phenomena contributes significantly to the reddish appearance of the sun at the sunrise or the sunset? Dispersion of light is wrong. Scattering of light, this is correct. Total internal reflection of light, this is wrong. Reflection of light from the earth, this is wrong. So here option B, scattering of light, is the exact phenomena, correct phenomena. It contributes significantly to the reddish appearance of the sun at the time of sunrise and sunset. Now we see question number 23. That is, choose the correct statement about the diagram. Here is the given diagram. The sun appears as red in color at A. This is true because here this is true. This can be considered as either sunrise or sunset. In fact, it is sunrise because see, after A the position B has come. So during sunrise, so the sun appears in the red in color. The sun appears as white color at A. No, this is false. The sun appears as red at color B. This is false. The sun appears as white in color at B because this is noon. So this is true. So here option A and option D both are true. So I am writing A comma D. Now we see question number 24. That is, the apparent change of the position of the star is due to, this is refraction of light is correct option. It's not just because of scattering of light, reflection of light, or all the above. Here the apparent change of the position of the star is due to refraction of light. So here option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 25. What happens when the sunlight passes through longer distances in atmosphere? Blue light scattered away. Yes, this is correct. Blue light reaches us. This is wrong. Red light scattered away. This is wrong. Red light reaches us. This is true because red is the least scattered color and it has the longest wavelength. So here option A and option D both are correct. So here I am writing A comma D. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.